All right, here's a short explainer video on our lowering arm product. So the ridgelines come with an 1.5 inch rake. This arm will take an 1.5 inch out of your rear ride height. This white truck here has got just our arm with no other modifications yet, and the stock wheels and tires. This truck here has got the arm with some lowering springs, and then he did an anti-roll bar, and he did put in camber correction ball joints in the back to get the camber to work. So it's lowered more than an 1.5 inch, but that's our arm plus some other parts. So here is the arm down here, and I'm going to view it as its colors so it's easier to see. So here's the arm. We did it as a layered up 3/16 plate part. The original OEM arms are fairly thin, and then they have a little bit of cross bracing, but not much. Most of their strength from the stamping shape of it. We're not going to stamp these arms. They're relatively low production. So we made them, built up layers of plate with layers of weld and lots of cross bracing. The OEM arm has a captive nut on it for the bolts. And again, we just supply those to you because it's a relatively low production item. This is dished in down here to allow room for the spring to move in the bottom of the strut. The installation's pretty easy. It's just 3 bolts. People find that putting a bit of a screwdriver twist on the bushings helps them line up. There is a bit of a twist to the bushings. And then once you're done, make sure you get it aligned because your toe will be off with the ride height change, and that's going to be your primary tire wear angle. So quick and easy to install, levels your truck out. These are all basically custom made, so please allow us 3 or 4 or 5 days to ship them out. But other than that, they've been a great product. They're fairly reliable. We've had pretty much 0 problems with them. And we don't really hear back from people much after they put them in. So it's one of those products that everyone can get right when they install it. It's very straightforward.